In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can change the view orientation of a block or part when drafting in Siemens NX. Now we want to be selecting the views or the faces on this block. So you have to enable it. So come to menu, edit, selection, and we want to be selecting the faces. So click on face, and now we can select individual faces. So by default, this is the front view on this block. So that means the viewer is somewhere here. So this is the front view. And automatically, this will be the top view or the plan in this direction. And this will be the side view, as we can see. So when you come into the orient view drop down and we look for the front view, this is what we have. We can see this is the front view. This will be the top view. And this will be the side view. However, in some cases, we want to switch the view orientation so that this now becomes the front view. And automatically, we can use this front view to generate the side view so that this face here will be the side view. And then this will be the top view still, but in this direction or this orientation instead. That's what we are going to look at. So first, you have to go into the drafting workspace. So come to applications, click on drafting, and you are going to use the A2 sheet size. So click on OK. And then close any populate title block or any table that appears. Close it. First, in order to insert a view, you have to come to base view. And you're first going to insert the isometric view so we can see the block. So with a scale of 2:1, insert the isometric view on the top right corner here. Close. Now by default, this will be the front view. So to insert a front view again, click on base view and you specify the front view with a scale of 2:1. Move the front view here, and we are going to use the third angle orthographic projection. Click to release the view and remove your cursor to the top, and automatically the top view will be generated. And then click to drop and then move your cursor to the side to automatically generate the side view. Click to release, click close. So by default, these are the front views, top views, and the side views generated automatically. Now let's give this isometric view a shading. So we give it a full shaded look. And now there are instances where we want to make this view here the front view and automatically generate the top views and the side views. Again, to insert a view, come to base view. We are going to use the front view initially, and with a scale of 2:1. This is by default the front view again. So in order to switch the view orientation, you come to orient view tool, which is below the front view selection. Click on it, and there will be an orient view table or box that appears over here. So in order to switch the view, we use these two arrows to control where we want the view to be. So in order to come to this side, we use the x-axis, click on it, and we can see that our view has switched to this side here, and click OK. So this will now be the front view. Click to release, and again move your cursor to the side to automatically generate the side view, and move your cursor to the top to automatically generate the top view of the plan, as we can see. Now we can again change the view orientation. So again, click on base view, select the front view, but you can do it for all the other views over here. So with the front view and a scale of 2:1, you come to the orient view tool. And then this time, let's switch to the top over here. So use the Z axis, click on it. And this will now be our front view, as we can see. So click OK. And this will be the front view. Automatically move your cursor to the side for a side view. And move your cursor to the top to generate the top view or the plan. Click to release. And basically, this is how to change the view orientation on your block when drafting in Siemens NX. I hope this video helped you out. And if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any problems in Siemens NX and I'll be willing to help. I'll see you in the next tutorial.